Try po tayo ka ng exploded na. Graduate. Automatic sub.
Ay nga tudong ay shouting pakpak yo legit pas pilang
part of non-contact technical foul. Criteria triato.
Kapten!
uy Paul
Second first.
Time boss.
5 minutes.
Third warning.
Time out ang session.
Buwan galing. Last tres. Pat ng galing.
Uy.
I-verify na to ang structural flow eh. I-verify na to, wala na ito ganaw. Saan na kagawa?
Warning to warning.
Kung pagpakpak dito dapat sa naong niya, pwede. Pero distansya rin, hindi na pwede.
Ah. Ang Super Twist, Bahadi.
Wala, lang na dito.
Kabel. Sibutan din, boss. Bula, dribbling the ball. Pass to Warex, good for twos.
3 minutes 20.
Good for 2 points, Bahadi. Sotomayor, pass to Maidan, back to Sotomayor. Within the ball, tingin pasahan. So out of bounds by Sotomayor.
2 minutes 53.
Santina. Inbound play to Tenyo, pass at Tenyo. Tenyo dumidiretso sa pasok, Bahadi. Pero wala, Nailo, Sotomayor to Warex, hindi for 2 points. Tenyo dribbling the ball. Pass to Tagalog, bago for threes. Ibang play by Sotomayor again to pass to Maidan. Pass to Tenyo. So time out ang Sales Channel Department po.
Isa na lang tayo din yung amigo.
Back to the ball game.
Last 2 minutes.
Naikundangan, pass to Kamba. Time is last 2 minutes. Tumayda to Kamba, pass to Sotomayor. Oh! By Basigsig.
Penalty na, penalty.
So, acting shot na kay penalty na ang
149.
Questioning department. So, Sotomayor for free throw. First free throw, wala. Wala pa rin.
1 minute and 40. Shot na 14. 10 to shoot.
Wow. Skipping.
One minute, 10 minutes. Shot lock, 10.
5 seconds to shoot.
Oh. Di.
Ron, 52 pala, Ron, 52. 5 to shoot. Seconds lang.
58 seconds. Shot clock.
59. Shot clock it. 52, 56. Upat na lamang. Say foul.
21. Maidan. 21.
Second.
Second team pa.
5 seconds to shoot.
Seconds to shoot.
3 seconds to shoot.
44 seconds.
1, 2.
Third na ba, fourth? Third.
Last 40 seconds ha.
Pulihag gamay.
Paul na, Paul na, Paul. Paul na, Paul na. Karaw, karaw, karaw. Ten. Pasok. So, dog ang social department.